guys, let me do something just real quick. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a countdown until the Atalli experience. So hopefully that's good. Sorry, this is... I don't use this all the time. Chloe, go! Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show the... Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you oh crap, desktop. Let me just find it real quick. Okay, here it is. So here's the Atalli experience. It is done, I'm sure. Wait, let me just look in the code real quick. Just make sure this is the right one. Okay, so we need to just make sure. Okay, okay, I think this is the right one. So, okay guys, so all you have to do for the Atalli experience, just go ahead and set this up. It takes just a couple of seconds, so just go ahead and do that. Paste your directory in there. Finishing up. Okay, so now what we got is we've got the Atalli experience storage. Now I can just go ahead and do the Atalli experience. Just type that in. It's going to find the boot file for you. All you have to do is just set it up real quick. So, and we can do no. see you're new here, sorry if it feels bad, but I'm going to tell you how to use the Atalli experience. I'll be telling you some news first. Atalli has replaced the all applications to pop-up. Pop-up will appear on your desktop, so whenever you need it, you press P on your keyboard. Let's go to File Manager. This is File Manager. I'll be giving some tasks. Press 1 on your keyboard to create a file. Good, now you can change the name of the file. Make sure it's not appropriate. Let's just name it work. Good, now you have a file, but would you like to store a document in it? Okay, type 1 to go to Documents. This is the Documents app. Write down a document and it will be saved in your current directory. Go ahead and write a document. I'll be waiting. So you can just type in hello. And we can just type it hello. The document is now created in the folder you created. Thank you for listening to my tutorials. Bye. By the way, I'll miss you. Experience was discontinued in pop-up. That's kind of sad, so please don't put any hate on me. It just wasn't going to work any. You've got trash bin, you've got files, you've got 5, and then we can view the files. The tutorial file doesn't count. You've got connections. Just go ahead and search for your connections. Network, local found. It's going to choose local. And you've got the connection set up. So now what you can do is you can go to internet, which will pop up the web browser of your computer. Make sure you have internet on your computer. So you can go to the file and you can create a file named school. And as you can see, the school file will be there. And then now what you can do is just type in school to select the file. And then you can go ahead and write down a document. So you can make a document named school is the best place ever. Okay, now all you have to do is name the document, name it hello. Okay, so now you get to go and read the document. Read it, and then it was hello, and then there it is right there. You get to read the document, you get to edit, and then you can say, not really. And then read the document hello, and then there it is right there. There's no way to delete any words while you're editing. I'll make that thing though. What would you like to do? Okay, so that document is stored on your computer. Now all you can do is you can go to calculator. You can do any of these. Let's do division. 5 and 1. And then there it is. So then you can go to manager and you can change your color theme to CF. There it is right there. You can change the username, change password. That really won't work. So don't do that. And then that's pretty much it of the Atalli. And then you've got pop-up AI, which does not work. So yeah, that's the Atalli experience. It took a long time to actually code. But what happens if you delete the storage folder? It's just going to search, and then if it's Atalli root not found, please either reboot or reset the system again, and then it'll close. So list of files, just delete them. So that's the Atalli experience. Now, guys, I'm going to be telling you the release date for the Atalli experience. The main release stream is going to be 4 o'clock p.m. sharp on May 6, 2019. 4 p.m. Eastern Time, May 6th, 2019. So that's the release date for the Atalli experience, which is tomorrow at exactly 4 p.m. at my time. So there you go, guys. But we've also got another thing that I was working on. Wait one second. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys. So let me just find the thing that I wanted to show you. So if you can go ahead. So it's called Advanced OS. I'm still developing on it, but what we've got is it's pretty advanced. It's more advanced than the Atalli experience, and this is the next generation after Atalli experience. As you can see, it's actually got a boot. It's actually got a boot that will actually, whenever you set it up, it'll actually have a boot. So just go ahead, boot it up, and then it's gonna go ahead and boot up. So what it'll do is it detects if you're registered or not, and if you have been already registered, you just go straight to login. You don't have to tell where it is or anything. So you can go ahead, see, you need to register. And just type in your username. Now, this is only for just because of the choose directory, so just go ahead, do this, and paste it in. So just paste it. Just type in 64 gigabytes. See, that was the boot. You saw that black for a second? That was the boot file that went ahead and went into it. So as you can see, here's the boot.bat, which actually boots it up. So, I'm just going to show you only a little bit of this because it's only going to be released June or maybe next month. So, see right here you've got the please type the password. You didn't have to select your directory or anything, it just automatically said your username. And that's because it's user file and not the username file, so there you go. It's just like the Atalli experience with a shorter pop-up, which you now have got all applications. Go ahead and go to there, and then you can go back. You get to restart the machine. Kinda cool, and then you get the exit machine. So here's your user file, so that determines your username. This is your product key, which you have to have if you want to actually have the advanced OS. This is the password, it checks if it's right. List of files, that's pretty much what the Atalli experience does. the directory just is here. The color is the color theme, and then boot.bat is what boots, and then kernel. So this is a fully working OS right now. So we can just go ahead and delete the user, password, list of files, directory, color, boot, and the advanced OS kernel. And then now all you have to do is one boot.ao. So there it is. That's all you have to do. And then you have reset the system. So just go ahead and we'll go ahead and detect that you have just now got it. See, okay, so there it is. And I am working on this project called Atalli XC. So what it is pretty much is Atalli console, but it's Atalli XC, and yeah, I haven't saved it quite yet. So yeah, guys, that was the Atalli experience, release date and everything. Hope you guys liked the video, and make sure tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, May 6th, 2019 is whenever the Atalli experience is going to drop. Thank you guys for watching.